Welcome to Spring LIB.
Height is given to us, that is 6 meter, and a 60 kg man stands halfway up the ladder. So first of all I am drawing the diagram for this given question. Let this is the wall whose height is given to us, that is 6 meter, and this is the ground, and this is our ladder whose length is given to us, that is 6.5 meter. It is told that a man is standing at the half of the ladder half. So here the man whose mass is given to us, that is 60 kg. So the weight of this man is acting vertically downward, that is 60 g. Now I am going to show the forces on the ladder. That is, one is the normal reaction force by this ground, let this is N2, and one is the friction force, let this is Fr. This point is denoted by let O. One is the normal reaction by this wall, and let this is N1, and this angle is given to us, that is 37 degree. And this height is 6 meter. This is the midpoint of the ladder, so this height is equals to 6.5 by 2. This is also 6.5 by 2. Now in the first part of the question it is told to find the torque of the force exerted by the man on the ladder about the upper end of the ladder. So torque due to the weight is given by weight of body about upper end, let this end is A. So we have to find the torque about A, and on and this torque is about due to the weight only. So torque about A due to the weight is given by 60 in g in, that is force into distance, and this distance is this distance, which can be written as 6.5 by 2 of sine 37. So after solving this we get the torque that is 740 Newton meter. So this is the torque about upper end of the ladder due to the weight of this man. Now in the second part of the question we have to find the forces exerted by the ground on the ladder. So from the diagram it can clearly say that there are two forces exerted by the ground. One is this normal force N2 and one is this frictional force in horizontal direction. So in the second part we have to find N2 and frictional force Fr. So we can see from the diagram that by force balance we see that N2 is equals to 60 g, that is net force in vertical direction is 0. So from here we get the value of N2, that is 60 into 9.8, or this becomes 590 Newton. So this is the force exerted by the ladder in vertical direction. Now we have to find the force in horizontal direction, that is Fr. So Fr, that is frictional force, is equals to N1, that is from net force in horizontal direction is equals to 0. Now we have to find the N1. So we can say that net torque about point O is equals to 0. By equating this we get this is 6.5 N1 cos theta is equals to 60 G into 6.5 by 2 into sine theta. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is 6.5 into n1 cos 37 degree is equals to 60 into 9.81 into 6.5 by 2 into sine 37 degree. From here we get the value of n1, that is equals to 120 Newton. And from this equation, let this is 1, we can say that Fr is also equals to n1, and this will equals to 120 Newton. So this is the horizontal force on the ladder by the ground. So for this given question, in the first part our answer is 740 Newton meter, and for second part our answer is 590 Newton. It is in vertical direction, and 120 Newton, that is into horizontal direction. So this is the our answer for this given